Hello students, welcome to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In this section, you will be knowing about the definition and concept of management. So before I get in depth about management, it is important for you all to understand the definition and concept of management. One of the most important activities in business is management. That is management of the four ends: man, machine, material and money. The term management can be interpreted differently in different contexts. However, it is difficult to mention about one particular definition because different management professionals have defined management according to their own ways. In one context, management comprises the activities of executives and administrative personnel in an organization, while in another, it may refer to a system of getting things done. In a broad perspective, management can be considered as the proper utilization of people and other available resources in an organization to achieve its objectives. With increasing global competition, the changes in the world of technology, changes in the business environment, the different ways of conducting a business, and an increasing sense of social responsibility in different organizations. The role of managers have become very important and more significant than ever before. And therefore, in this context, understanding about management, knowing about management has become an important aspect of management professionals as well as academicians. And therefore, this subject on principles of management is a core subject where you students will understand the different managerial styles, techniques that are adopted by different level of managers, what they do, and how they compete for survival in this environment. And therefore, this paper or this subject is an important part of management education as well. So as we go down to the next level of our discussion, I will be explaining to you in detail about the different definitions of management that has been put forward by different managerial professionals across time. Thank you so much.